Welcome everyone on today's Metal3 Community meeting. Happy New Year to everyone. This is 2024. This is the first community meeting in 2024. Today is 10th of January. And as usual, let's check the reminders. We don't need to do any introductions. And if we go quickly through the reminders, if you feel that you would like to have the project, please check any issue in the Metal3 organization that has this have wanted label, and feel free to pick it up and work on it. That would be a great help. If you are an adopter of our project and you are using it frequently, then please feel free to add yourself as an official adopter. You just have to modify these adopters.md files in the community repository with a PR, and then that would be a great help for us. As you know, at the end of last year, we have submitted the proposal that has now received this tag. So it is in the queue for incubation reviews and due diligence. Let's see what will be the result of that. And then feel free to check out all the platforms related to the projects, Clo Monitor, DevStat, and the others. One extra thing that I will be talking about, but I have pasted it here. This is from Slack. Anyway, so we will have the Metal3 team meetup, and I will put here the actual link to the document. We will continue last year's team meetup document this year. But before that, let's continue to the discussion topics. And is there anyone who would like to talk about the Ironic Scalability working group?
I don't have any news this time.
Okay. Mohamed is out of the office, and I think we is not in the meeting, so we can skip that. The first discussion topic is just a few general information from my side. I believe early this year or at the end of last year, our sandbox yearly review was merged. It was reviewed, and we talked about that on one of the community meetings, but now it has been merged, and we no longer will need to submit sandbox reports or this yearly review reports for sandbox. It's not because of the incubation, as far as I understand, but things are changing within CNCF, so they will have a different system from now on. Then you probably have seen the emails about the DCO enforcement, and now it's live. I haven't heard any negative feedback about that. It was very easy to enable, so I hope this will help the project. And then yeah, this is what I have started to talk about, is the Metal3 team meetup. I've notified the community via email and on the Slack, so you probably have seen it. But on the 31st of January, so last day of January, which is a Wednesday, instead of the usual community meeting, we will have the team meetup. The format will be the same as last year, and we will continue the same meeting notes document. And I'm very happy that I already see at least 3 different topic proposals, which are all very interesting and have been talked about during the 2023 year. So it will be very interesting to see what we can achieve during this meeting. Yep. So that's all from my side. And the next two is from Tuomo.
Yeah, so a couple quick notices from my side. So you probably have noticed that we have started moving the image building from Quay triggers to GitHub Actions, and then the actual build is done by Jenkins, and then the image is pushed to Quay. So there are a couple of PRs open related to that are updating or adding the workflow files. So please check those. And then the second one is just a quick shout out to Moshur and Sunat, who made the 1.6 releases and also the BMO 0.5 release and this week. So they are now out. I didn't see announcement emails yet, but yeah, the CI should now also be ready for that. I think the last PR related to releases went out today. So yeah, that's it. Thanks.
Yeah, one quick comment related to that. Thank you, Tuomo, for bringing this up. Is that for the 0.5 and 0.4 branches, there will be soon patch release for each of them, just to pin the ironic image version, because that change has eluded us. So it's still not there. It's already in the dev env, but not on the BMO release branches. But that's easy to fix, and we agreed that because we were kind of when we were discussing the release, we were a bit confused with the folks who were doing the release, me included. That what is the flow of providing tags, container tags, because originally I asked the folks to audit, then they were confused by it. They involved me, and I was also confused by it. That how this customized flow is actually would be used to pin the tags. So we will have a discussion and come up with some elegant way of pinning this. Yeah. Is there any other topics that you like to bring up?
If no other topics, then I might ask Dimitri, what did you end up naming the iron operator?
I have not pulled the trigger on the naming yet, largely because I'm very busy downstream at this point, so I won't get to it until next week at least. So the discussion is still welcome.
All right, thanks.
Okay, so anybody else? Any suggestion, problem, improvement, request, question, anything? Okay, if nothing comes to mind, then thank you for your time. Looks like the first meeting of the year, it was a quick meeting. The next one will involve triaging, so that will be probably a longer one. But until then, have a good week and good rest of the day, and see you on the next meeting. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
All right, bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye, everyone. Thanks.